Hello, my name is Kelly and welcome to Empire Home Decor. In today's video, I'll be preparing a Mother's Day tea for two tablescape, and in my kitchen, I'll be preparing mini fruit tarts to be served with my afternoon tea, along with savory finger sandwiches, scones, pineapple sorbet, and chocolate-covered strawberries. So I decided to go with a fresh garden theme. But in my grandest imagination, I imagined having tea in an English countryside. Hey, a girl can dream, right? But for now, my home dining area will have to suffice. I just love the delicate stitching and box pattern on the linen. It really adds a simple yet elegant touch. I found this English-style china set from a thrift store years ago. It has an elegant silver pattern on the china. I believe it's by G&A China, and this style was very popular in the 1960s. I was so delighted to find these fresh, sweet chamomile flowers, perfect for a tea for two tablescape. I'm so lucky to have a wonderful mother who has provided great pearls of wisdom, tireless sacrifice, and above all, her love and nurturing. Let me know in the description box how you spent your Mother's Day, or how you shared it with your mother or that special mother figure in your life.